said, I told you I don't have no money. Get that gun out of my face. Who are you?
Fighting back, when a robber wouldn't drop the gun, she picked up her purse and fought back. The woman says it all started with a knock at the door. Good evening, I'm Danita Harris.
And good evening, I'm Chris Flanagan in for lead tonight. Police did arrest that robber. News Channel 5's Tracy Carlos talked to the Lorain woman who started swinging. Tracy.
Yeah, Chris, you know, Janice Grant first thought somebody was playing a trick on her. When she realized it wasn't, she got mad and took action. Janice Grant was in her living room watching television last night. She got up to answer a knock at the door, but before she could get to it, a masked man armed with an AK-47 was standing right in her living room.
I said, who is you? I said, what is you doing in here? He said, give me your money. That's exactly what he said when he opened his mouth. Give me your money. I said, I don't have no money. He said, I said, give me your money. I said, I don't have no money, so he cocked the gun.
He wanted this grandmother's purse.
I reached down, grabbed the purse, and I went to go in the purse to show him I didn't have no money, and then I got mad because the gun was still in my face. I'm looking at this little round hole dead in my face.
And at that second, Janice made a decision that may have saved her life.
And he still said, I'll give me the money. I said, I don't have no money, and I took my purse and I got mad and I just hit him with the purse and he went back.
Janice knocked the gun out of his hand, but he quickly snatched it back and beat her in the head with it before taking off.
Not only did Janice fight off the would-be robber, but she did it just hours after receiving a chemotherapy treatment.
You see, Janice is fighting colon cancer, and she wasn't about to lose this battle.
Nothing fazed me yesterday. I was just too sick to even think about anything.
Police say just hours before Janice was terrorized, that AK-47 was stolen from another house. And within hours, police arrested and charged 22-year-old John Daniel.
We knew he was associated with the theft of the gun. He fit the description of this burglar. He's in custody. You know, he has a long record with us.
Now, I talked with police just a short time ago, and Lorain police tell me they are still looking for that AK-47 tonight. If you have any information, you are asked to call the police department. Live in the newsroom, Tracy Carlos, News Channel 5.
Hey, Tracy, what about Janice? Is she okay from the attack?
Yeah, Chris, she is. She got about 9 stitches, but she says that she is doing just fine.
All right, Tracy, thanks. One tough lady.